If you are here in Maryland, I want to let you know how much we appreciate you, how thankful we are for you, and how much we need you to win. And we're going to do anything in our power to make sure that you win.
Or find a way to develop an ecosystem in Maryland. And when we got out here, what we found was the largest concentration of cyber engineering in the world.
The opportunity to really build what we call cultivating what's the best of them.
Businesses and organizations like TEDCO continues to create opportunities for entrepreneurs that strengthen our workforce.
When we're trying to build up a program that supports this, it's these other great resources and support mechanisms and organizations that make the bank feel a little bit safer about some of the
If you want to be part of something big, come find us.